Popular barrister. He was keen on acquiring material wealth and he had no interest in politics. A meeting with Gandhi in October 1917 changed Sardar Patel and led him to join the Indian independence struggle. He became one of the most devoted followers of Gandhi. He supported Gandhi's non-cooperation movement and toured the state to recruit members and gain support. His speeches would electrify nationalists who up to then had been skeptical of the rebellion. He was a man of his own principles and often had clashes in opinion with other popular statesmen. He was arrested several times for his political activity and his position had gradually risen to the highest level in Congress. He had become the face of several freedom struggles throughout the rebellion. His story so far may seem similar to that of several other freedom fighters. The real reason Sardar Patel stands out amongst the political leaders is because of his role after independence. After independence, more than 562 princely states were given the option of either joining India or Pakistan or choosing independence. As the nation's first home minister, he persuaded the princes of 565 states to join the Indian Republic. He did so the Indian way, by opening dialogues with the princes in unofficial surroundings, such as his home in Delhi. He stressed that the princes would need to accede to India, that is, join the Indian Republic in good faith rather than seek independence. And he set a deadline of 15th August 1947 for them to sign the accession document. All but 3 states willingly merged into the Indian Union. Only Jammu Kashmir, Junagadh, which is a district in Gujarat, and Hyderabad didn't fall into his basket. He had the courage and foresight to send armed forces in Junagadh and Hyderabad before the situation escalated. He managed in less than a year's time to reduce the princely states from 562 to 26 administration units and brought democracy to nearly 8 crore people, comprising almost 27% of the country's population. This is why his birthday, which is today, is celebrated as the National Unity Day in remembrance for his contribution in shaping the nation. His statue, which is termed the Statue of Unity, stands tall